Greetings everybody from RADE Garage. I want to present you the short clutch and short brake lever for the CFmoto 450 MT. The short levers are manufactured here in RADE Garage in Czech Republic from high quality materials. From our experience from rally or off-road events, we have designed the short levers that way that you can easily operate them with two fingers without hitting your ring finger. If you are a really hard off-road rider, you can also easily operate it with one finger. The short lever has also nice radius here, so you can nicely hold them. And also the end of the short lever is pointing up, so the fingers won't slip easily away. On the short levers we are using the original adjustment, so you can easily set up the position the way you like it. The installation and the fitment of the short levers are really easy because we are using the original holder for the levers and also the mounting for the levers, so you don't need to change anything or buy extra parts. Everything I was talking about on the short clutch lever you will also find on our short brake lever. They come in pairs, so you will get the short clutch lever, also the short brake lever. If you like them, please go on our e-shop.